Here we have our PT500, which is a 3-axis network PTZ controller. We will be controlling a PTZ camera connected to channel 1 on an NVR. There is a single network cable connected from the PTZ controller to the NVR, and here is the monitor that the NVR is hooked up to. First, we're going to log in by pressing Setup on the controller. Then we're going to type in the username, which is admin, and the password, which will default as 888-888, and then press Enter on the controller. This brings us to a menu where we will select Zone Control and press Enter. We already configured the NVR to an ID of 1, which is explained in the support article. After we enter 1 for the ID, the controller will automatically recognize the NVR and configuration settings. We recommend plugging a mouse into the NVR for easier navigation, but here, as you can see, I'm toggling the joystick right and left to flip through the channels on the NVR. To access our PTZ camera connected to channel 1 on the NVR, we need to press 1 on the number pad so the screen reads Use 1, indicating channel 1, and then press the PTZ button. Now you will see the screen with the PTZ axis icon. You will now be able to use a joystick controller to move the PTZ camera. If you have additional PTZ cameras on other channels, you can type in the specific channel number to control its respective camera. To zoom in, simply turn the knob clockwise and counterclockwise to zoom out. To exit this screen, hit the Escape button. This brings us back to our zone control screen. To exit out of this, you'll need to press the ID button, then either the Escape or Setup button, which will take you back to the menu settings and zone control page. Thanks for watching.